In this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Venmo to an external wallet. First, you will need to verify your identity with Venmo. Then, follow these steps. Go to the Crypto tab. Pick the crypto you want to send. PayPal USD can only be sent to wallets that support it. Tap the transfer arrows in the bottom right corner. Tap on Send. Enter the recipient's information. If you want to send crypto to other Venmo users, enter their names. If you want to send crypto to a PayPal user or an external wallet, enter their address. You can also tap Scan a crypto address QR code to scan the recipient's code. Enter the amount of crypto you want to send. Venmo will calculate any relevant fees. Review the transaction details. Crypto transfers cannot be canceled or reversed. Be sure the recipient's details are correct. Crypto sent to the wrong address will be lost. Hit send to initiate the transfer. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.